Hey, happy Monday, everybody. This is Matt, the old Florida boy. And I got something in the mail yesterday that I think is going to be pretty cool. It's not a new item. There's several reviews of it on YouTube, but it's new to me. It is one of these little $6 or $9, this one cost me $9, knockoff MSR gas stoves. So this looked really, really cool. And I got it on with my Amazon points for $9. So we're going to take a look at it and see how it's going to work. So stay with me.
There's something in the water that's calling my name.
Okay, here we are back on the workbench of death. Y'all know what to do. If you're new here, how you doing? Subscribe, hit the like button down below, and you're not going to miss anything. Cool. Okay, so you get this little, these are these little like MSR knockoff stoves. Some people get them for $6, $7, $8. I got mine for $9 on Amazon, you know, and I actually had Amazon points from my Discover card, so this costs nothing. So, and here's exactly how it comes in this nice little orange box. You know, it shakes a little bit, but incidentally, they don't. It's not wrapped or anything. They just throw this in a box and send it to you. So let's see what we got. And I have not used this at all. So, okay. So here's our little box over there. Okay. So it comes all folded up with its 4 little legs. Okay, with the little feet can come out. So what this does is you just kind of fold it out, and it clicks. It clicks in. So each of the little, it clicks in a little hole in the other leg, so it doesn't close up on you. And you can, you know, you can open these up depending on the type of pot that you have. Here's the little gas adjustment. Okay, closed, open. That's not too bad. It's got some nice brass screw threads on the bottom near the nozzle. It's got a nice little O-ring. That's going to be pretty important. And it's got the little igniters here. All you do is one touch, and you can see the igniter. I wonder if you're going to see the spark. So let's go. You just push it, and it throws that little spark. So that's how you ignite it. I guess you could ignite it with a ferro rod if this went out, or you could obviously light it with matches or anything that you could make for a fire, you know, a burning stick or whatever you would need to. But you know, it fits these little fuel canisters. And this is one I got at Dick's, you know, $4, you know, little isobutane, 110 grams. This is kind of small. I don't know how long it's going to last, but the cool thing about these and this little stove is that you can carry these in my old favorite Stanley Adventure Series. And this fits right in to the Stanley Adventure Series, you know, with very little movement, and almost like it was made for it. And you could still put this in there, I guess. You know, if it was closed, you know, you could put some other stuff on top of it. You'd have your fuel source right in there. It doesn't come out as easy as it goes in, but there you go. One thing it also does is, here's the old Glacier cup. All right, your fuel source fits in the Glacier cup, just in case you want to do some other alternatives. So let's put this little guy together. We'll just pull off our top. We're gonna screw it on here. This is the first time I've done this too, so I wanted you, my viewers, to get the first look. Okay, here we go. We're going to fold these out. We're going to turn it on until we hear gas. Oh, there we go. Let's try it. Oh, we're all right. Wow. Woohoo! I guess you don't want to tilt the can while it's burning. All right. Hey. That's pretty nice. Now you can see the igniter in the middle. It's still over the fire, so it's going to glow. But man, that would heat up really quick. If you had something round like this glacier cup, I mean, that would fit absolutely perfect. Whew. Boy, that's going to get hot quick. That's a pretty nifty little stove. Okay, I'm going to pause here and then take it apart, let it cool down, and then we'll look at it a little bit further. All right, this guy's pretty darn cool. I kind of like it, you know. It's the little feet, the little wings are really kind of loose. I might tighten those up with a pair of pliers or something, but it looks like it would fit most of the things that I carry fairly easily. But you know, the canteen cup, which kind of oblong on the bottom, something that's more circular would actually fit right on there. But this, you know, it fits. It fits all right, but you can always close up the little feet, you know, to make it smaller. Actually, if you do that, it fits the canteen cup really, really good. You know, it's got a lot of surface. So for canteen cup, you want to keep those folded up. For anything else, for anything bigger, looks like that's going to be good. This is going to be really, really nice. I was skeptical because, you know, I'm an alcohol stove guy, and I like the Luxada folding stoves, and I made the beer can stoves and all that kind of jazz. And, you know, alcohol just, it keeps your pots so much cleaner than regular wood. You know, I've done regular wood, but it's kind of messy, you know, when you get all that black soot and everything. You know, you're not somewhere where you can clean them. You know, you put them back in your pack and it gets black soot over everything. But, you know how I love my canteen cup cooking. So I wanted to order this and get it set up, do a quick little demo. It does take these little fuel cartridges. There's a bigger one than this. I think it's the 120 gram or 130 gram or something. The problem with that is it doesn't fit in the Stanley. That's the nuts right there. That's going to make it really, really handy. But here you go. I don't even know what this is called. This is like an MSR Knock Off stove. There's other reviews of it on YouTube. Go check them out. But my review is the only one that counts because my review is the best. So these are, and you can get these on Amazon. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link right below to get it from Amazon if you need one. This is kind of impressing me. I'm going to use this on Canteen Cup Tuesday tomorrow. And this should be interesting. So, once again, left-hand side, you're going to see some suggested videos. In the upper right-hand corner, you're going to see my subscription bubble. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And once again, coming to you from the wilds of my garage, this is Matt, the old Florida boy, saying I will see you on the trail.